Here's how to create an account in Tenten. Now, the first thing you want to do is, if you already have not downloaded the app, you should download it obviously. But once you open the app, it's going to bring you to this panel like here. And all you have to do is you want to click on the Let's Go option in the bottom center of the screen. You can either sign in with Google, TikTok, or you can just use your email and phone number, which is at the bottom, which is what we want to do. And as you can see, in my country, it does not support my phone number. So what I'm going to want to do is just go back to the back panel and actually sign in with either Google or TikTok, because they're a lot more reliable than just using your email or phone number. In this case, I'm just going to sign in using my TikTok account. It'll just bring you to your TikTok account and link you back onto the app itself. And for this next panel, if you actually want to get through this panel, you actually have to add a single friend. You can add multiple, but you literally have to add one. Otherwise, the app will not let you in to finish creating your account. So I'm just going to click on the plus option. And from here, you can invite one of your friends from your contact. And once you've copied the pin, from here what you want to do is you actually have to wait for your friend to accept this friend request. As you can see, they have currently pending in the panel right here. And as soon as they accept your friend request, you will be able to use the app. But again, you cannot use this app without accepting at least one friend request. And you can always add more. Once they finally accepted your friend request, as you can see, I'm just in the app. And that is how you create an account. And you can go to your avatar's icons right here, swipe to the side to view multiple ones.